Thinking about taking your above-ground pool with you when you move? It's definitely possible, and with a little planning, you can do it without too much stress. The first step is to drain the pool completely. A small submersible pump makes this faster. Once empty, disconnect the pump, filter, hoses, and any accessories. Make sure everything dries before packing so you don't trap moisture or cause mold later. Next, take the pool apart carefully. Most above-ground pools are held together with metal walls and a vinyl liner. The liner is the part you want to be extra gentle with, since it's easy to tear. Spread it out in the sun to dry before folding it loosely. Don't fold it too tightly or store it in extreme heat. Keep all screws, nuts, and small hardware in labeled bags. It will save a ton of time when you set the pool back up at your new home. Before you reinstall the pool, choose a level spot in your new yard. A solid, smooth, and even surface is key. Lay down fresh sand or a pool pad, assemble the frame, attach the liner, and refill. Taking your pool along might seem like a big job, but step by step, it's totally manageable. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit Movers.com. You can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.